In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2-player on Cricket 22. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Cricket 22 offers full couch co-op support, meaning that connecting an additional controller or additional controllers to any console will allow you to do 2 or more players in Cricket 22. And all that you have to do to set this up, if you want to play with 2 players, like I said, is to connect the additional controller to your console or PC. So you can either use a cable or do it wirelessly. As soon as the controller is connected to the console, usually there will be a pop-up telling you to assign a user account. Most of the time this is very important, so make sure that you assign at least a guest account or you create a full user account to that specific controller. By setting up the user account, you are going to make sure that this process works and that the player is able to join any game modes that you select and both of you share the same screen. So once this is done, the controller has been connected and you assign the user account. All that you have to do now is go over to any of the main game modes. By creating a local or custom game, you will be able to proceed, and on the team select window, as you can see on the middle of the screen, you can press specific buttons to add more controllers. So by pressing select on your controller, you will be able to add more and more players. And once this is done, you just have to assign the teams to each side and you will be able to start. So the only requirements are that you connect an additional controller and that you choose the option to host a custom local multiplayer mode. By doing this from the home screen of the game with the controller connected, you can assign the controllers to each team and you will be good to go. Customize them to your own liking, change the match settings, and you will be able to repeat this process as many times as you wish. So from the home tab, you can go over to custom match after you set up the controllers and you will be good to go. You can also do this process online, of course, but for this video I'm going to be focusing on sharing the same screen with 2 controllers connected to the same console. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2-player on Cricket 22. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.